is the Taranis Q7S. Let's see how to increase or decrease the LCD brightness. First, let's power on the radio, hold that power button. Okay, and to access the menu, long press the middle button. Long press it, and that should enter us here into radio setup. Now let's move it. Now currently we are in the first page out of 9. So let's go down until we see something related to backlight. Here it is, backlight, and the brightness is set to 5. Once again, brightness, and it's 5. Press the middle button to enter that 5 and simply increase it. You can increase it to a large value, let's say 100, accept it, and that's it. The brightness of the LCD of the Taranis Q7S was increased.